India records fastest air connectivity growth among the top 20 most connected countries in 2019. The report written by Chaitanya Malapur on 9th of December 2020 at moneycontrol.com. India is the fourth most connected country in the world after the US, China and Japan, above Germany and the United Kingdom. According to IATA's Air Connectivity Rankings for 2019, released last month. However, as a result of the global pandemic, India reported the most disruption in air connectivity due to suspension of domestic flights for 2 months, among the top 5 most connected countries in the world. India reported the fastest air connectivity growth of 89% from 2014 to 2019, among the top 20 most connected countries in the world, according to the Air Connectivity Report by International Air Transport Association. Released in November 2020. India climbed up 3 places to 4th position in 2019, replacing Indonesia. The rise is attributed to the significant growth in the Indian air transport sector, particularly in the domestic market segment. The United States ranks first as the most connected country in the world, followed by China, Japan, India and Germany. Asia is the most connected region in the world, followed by North America. In terms of growth among the top 20 nations, India was followed by China and Thailand with 62% each, Mexico 58%, and Spain 56%. Between 2014 and 2019, India's connections to Asia Pacific saw the fastest growth, and over the last 10 years, increasing the country's air connectivity by 237%. Pointing out India's success, the report highlights policy initiatives such as the Regional Connectivity Scheme, RCS UDAN and other development measures in safety and security, maintenance, repair and overhaul operations that have played an important role in India's growth. As many as 299 RCS UDAN routes are operational ending November 2020, according to the official release. Of these, 207 are actually operational, Money Control reported on December 8. To further energize India's air connectivity links, the government has planned to add 100 new airports by 2024, which will include heliports and seaports as well. While India ranks 4th in absolute or total connectivity, the country ranks 9th on the indicator for international air connectivity, up from 10th position in 2014. Air connectivity indicates how well a country is linked to cities around the world. The index measures the degree to which air transport connections support a country's economic development and productivity levels, the report said. The connectivity indicator is based on annual seats available to each destination between 2014 and 2019. The report also measures air connectivity relative to the size of a country's economy and population. Island states such as Palau, Maldives and Aruba report higher connectivity in terms of the size of their economies. The US ranks 45th after adjusting the GDP, China 90th and India in 121. In terms of air connectivity per population, Aruba, Bahamas and Macau rank among the top 3. The US ranks 24th, followed by China 81, and India 120. The COVID-19 pandemic led to the grounding of the aviation sector across the globe, disrupting connectivity as countries moved into lockdowns restricting passenger movements and air travel, fearing further the spread of the virus. Among the top 5 most connected countries in the world, India reported maximum 97% disruption or decline in air connectivity levels in April 2020 over April 2019, according to ITA analysis. In India, all domestic flights were suspended on March 25 for a period of 2 months, leading to an evaporation of connectivity during that period, the report said. However, with easing up of lockdowns and opening up of economies, connectivity levels have been recovering but are still below the pre-pandemic levels. Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, the growth in air connectivity was a global success story. Over the last 2 decades, the number of cities directly linked by air more than doubled, while over the same period, air travel costs fell by around half, the IATA release said. Among the top 20 most connected cities in Asia Pacific, Delhi 56% and Mumbai 43% have reported substantial increase in their connectivity levels from 2014 to 2019, expanding their routes between Europe, India, Southeast Asia. London was the most connected city in the world in 2019, followed by Shanghai, Beijing, New York and Tokyo. This changed as a result of the pandemic, with London reporting 67% decline in connectivity in September 2020 over September 2019. Shanghai is now ranked at the top, followed by Beijing, Guangzhou, Chengdu and Chicago. Did you know? I post lots of interesting news and reports every Friday. To keep updating yourself, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on bell notification, so you never miss any update. Till then, have a nice day. See you all next Friday.